Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Do you want to quickly identify repeated or common words in your document using Microsoft Word? This tutorial shows you simple and powerful techniques to detect repeated terms, improve writing quality, and make your content more professional. If you are a student, writer, or content creator, this guide will help you eliminate repetition and refine your text easily. So let's get started. We can see here a assignment document. We can see here 8 page. Now you can find any word easily. Go to the home menu first, then click find option, then write any text like this. Then we can see here highlighted the this word all of page, and the this word is shows on the navigation bar. Now I change the word like to. Then again we can see here many two word highlighted, and here the navigation bar available the word. You can go any word, click this navigation bar, and we can see highlighted also selected that. Now you can see we detect the duplicate word easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than video very soon. Thanks for watching.